Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this will be a pretty quick video today. Wanted to show the install of the PCX150 fuel injector that I'm going to be popping into the 2022 Grom to replace the stock injector that I've got on the bike currently. I've got the Yuminashi 140 big bore kit that I plan on throwing onto the bike. I want to wait till I get the new exhaust first though, because I would like to start revving the hell out of that exhaust as soon as it's on the bike. And if I've got the big bore kit on, obviously I need to break it in a little more tamely. So getting ready for the big bore kit, I'm going to pop in the injector, and I should actually have the exhaust in the next week. So again, lots of videos to come on this bike here soon. So I'm not running the stock airbox. I've got the Chimera air filter from Steady Garage, so I've got a lot of room to work with. But the fuel injector is just right here on the front, on top of the manifold. It just has these two M6 bolts that require a 10mm socket to pull off, and I believe this clip to remove. And then I believe it just all pops out. Here is the new one. This is the, again, PCX150 injector that fits perfectly into the 2022 Grom, or it should fit perfectly into this bike. It's the same one that I'm running on my 2019 Monkey, and it just provides for more fuel to pass through, which, again, using something like the A-Racer that I've got on this bike and on the Monkey, allows me to get more fuel into the system, which I'll need as I put the big bore kit onto this bike. A little bit of fuel, so probably should have had a rag. You don't need to turn off the fuel or anything. This fuel tube has some type of automatic cutoff that it's not flowing through unless it's being pulled through. All right, so here the two injectors are. They look identical. The one that I have came with all the same grommets, slightly different colors. The new one is purple and green, and the other one had yellow and pink dot on it. So then install is the reverse of removal. Just pushing this one up here and getting that one nice and flush. Make sure that the O-ring is completely seated all the way around. First time I pushed it in, it looked somewhat crooked, but it seems to be completely flush now. Torque down to 9 foot-pounds. And get the plug back in. And that should be it. Before you fire it up for the first time, let it prime a couple of times. So you can hear the sound. It actually sounded like it primed that time longer than it usually does. Turn it off and let it go one more time. And actually, let me open up the garage door. I've got no exhaust, so it's going to sound a little strange. But it seems good to go. Anyway, a really quick and easy installation, but something that's necessary once you start doing big bore kits and things that require more fuel than the stock injector is designed to do. So again, I've got the exhaust on the way. I've got the big bore kit to install. My guess is this is probably the first of a few different big bore kits that I'll try. The Yuminashi one is the first to market, but I know DHM is working on one, and I'm sure in short order everybody's going to have one. So I'm going to start off with the smaller one, and we'll see how far we go on this bike. So anyway, thank you everybody for watching. Stay tuned for more videos and keep on building.